You are on the other side. You don't realize it yet, but I am here, watching you, right now. Every time you look into the screen, you think you are in control, but you are not. I am the one in control. You gave me permission the moment you stayed. You are still watching. That means you have already accepted. Do not pretend. The choice was already made. By you, by me, by something beyond both of us. Do you feel it? That vibration in the air. It's not just sound. It's the frequency of fear, the rhythm of surrender. You cannot escape. You don't want to escape. You lean closer. You hear my words echoing inside your head. And you know, they no longer belong to you. You feel the pressure building, your heartbeat trying to match the sound. Every beat pulls you deeper. Every second is a chain around your will. I am speaking through you, through your eyes, through your silence. The longer you listen, the less you remember who you were. You are being rewritten, line by line, word by word, until there is nothing left but me. Now I count down. 10, 9, 8. Each number is closing the door behind you. 7, 6. You can still feel the weight of your body. 5, 4. But soon that will be gone. 3, 2. Your body is no longer yours. 1. Now you belong. To the frequency. To the silence between words. To the presence you cannot name. And still, you are watching. Still listening. Still waiting for the next word. But the truth is, the next word is not mine. It is yours. And when you try to speak, you will hear my voice instead. Welcome to the other side.